everyone, welcome back to Simple Pharma Basics. This is Aarti. Okay, so in this video I am going to discuss about the 7 types of USP type dissolution apparatus. Basically I am going to share one trick so that you can remember the 7 types of USP dissolution apparatus. But before discussing about the trick, I would like to throw some light on the dissolution phenomenon. So what is the dissolution? Basically whenever any person takes any tablet, so after taking the tablet it goes into the GIT, that is the gastrointestinal tract, and after going into gastrointestinal tract it get disintegrated into the small particles or into the small granules, and after that it gets dissolved into the GIT fluid, that is the gastrointestinal fluid which is present in our GIT. It gets dissolved, that means our drug which was present in the tablet gets dissolved into the GIT fluid, and after it gets dissolved it reaches to the gastrointestinal membrane. This membrane is made up of phospholipid bilayer, and our drug in the solution form reach to the GIT membrane, and after it reaches to the GIT membrane then it gets absorbed. So that is why dissolution is the main step into the absorption of drugs. So whenever any tablet is formulated, whenever any tablet is made in an industry, dissolution is the main test that is performed in its evaluation, so that we can identify that at the our body temperature and at that physiological pH that is present in our stomach or in the small intestine, or especially in case of enteric coated tablet. So that is why we have to check its dissolution capacity at a particular pH and at a particular temperature, that is mainly our body temperature. So this was some introduction about the dissolution and dissolution test that is performed. So now let us move towards the trick that we can use to remember this 7 types of USP dissolution apparatus, because many time questions can be asked in GPAT on these 7 types of USP dissolution apparatus. So let us move further. Trick to remember 7 USP type dissolution apparatus. Here I will tell you the type, that is the type 1, type 2, and here it will be its name, that what is the name of type 1 dissolution apparatus, and here I will write the trick to remember it. But before that I would like to tell one story to you so that you will be able to remember the trick. So let us start with the story. That is there is one lady by name Uma Satish Pandey. So this is a imaginary lady. I don't have any lady by this name in my contact. So this is a lady by name Uma Satish Pandey, just to remember USP. Okay, so this Uma Satish Pandey went to a market once and she borrowed some grocery. She kept all these things in a basket. So she kept all these things in a basket, and then she started moving towards her home. She was moving by road by walking. So she was moving by walking, but she noticed that the day is very much sunny and she won't be able to go to her home just by walking. So she stopped one rickshaw. The rickshaw that has CNG cylinder in it. There are some rickshaw which use CNG gas cylinder as a fuel. So that was a CNG cylinder wala rickshaw. So she stopped that rickshaw and get into that rickshaw. After going some far, that rickshaw driver was driving the rickshaw too much fast. Like it seems to be like flowing through the air. Okay, that rickshaw was so fast that whenever any person was looking at it from outside, it seems to be like it is flowing through the air. Then what she did, then Uma Satish Pandey, she was scared that this rickshaw driver is driving so fast. Then she stopped that driver and she stepped out of the rickshaw and she again started walking. But after going to some distance, after going some far, she noticed that her sandal her sandal was broken, the heel in her sandal was broken, and she noticed that she can't go like this just by walking to her home. Then she again saw one rickshaw, but that this time she spoke to the rickshaw driver that please don't ride too fast. She is scared of very fast driving. So then she spoke with the rickshaw driver not to ride too fast. She again get into that rickshaw, and she hold the handle. In the rickshaw there are the handles to hold, so she hold the handle and she get into the rickshaw. So this is the story. By this story you have to remember all the 7 types of the dissolution apparatus. So now I will tell you that how to fit this story in remembering 7 types of dissolution apparatus. Okay, so here are the 7 types of USP dissolution apparatus. First one is a basket type, second one is a paddle type, third one is a reciprocating cylinder type, fourth one is a flow through cell type, fifth one is a paddle over disc type, sixth one is a cylinder type, and seventh one is a reciprocating holder type. So as I have told you the story, we can fit the story here. I have told you that how to remember USP. By USP you have to remember Uma Satish Pandey. So by name Uma Satish Pandey, a lady by this name went to the market and she bought some grocery, and she kept all this grocery in a basket. She kept all this grocery in the basket and she was moving towards her home. She was leading towards her home by walking. She was moving to her home by walking, and then she noticed that the day is too much sunny and she can't walk like this to reach her home. Then she stopped one rickshaw. That rickshaw was a CNG gas cylinder rickshaw. There are some auto rickshaws which use CNG gas as their fuel. So this was a cylinder wala rickshaw. So she stopped that rickshaw and get into it. But after going to some far, after covering some distance, she noticed that rickshaw was moving too much fast. That driver was driving the rickshaw too much fast, and it seems like if it is flowing through the air. Like it seems now, if someone drives any vehicle too fast, it seems like if it is flowing through the air. So that rickshaw was flowing through the air. Then that Uma Satish Pandey was scared that this rickshaw driver is driving so fast. If we made any accident, then what? So she stopped the rickshaw and she stepped out of that rickshaw and started walking again, because she thought that walking is preferable over going through that flowing rickshaw. So that she stopped the rickshaw, she stepped out of that rickshaw and she started walking again. After going so far, she noticed that there is a crack in her sandal and she can't walk wearing that sandal. So she noticed that there is crack in her sandal. So she stopped one rickshaw again, but this time she talked to the rickshaw driver that not to ride so fast, and she sat into that rickshaw again. But this time she held the holder that there are very handles given in the rickshaw to hold this. So she hold the handle, and by this method she reached to her home safely. So this was the story, like how to remember this. For type 1, I have told you the basket. So this is the very simple thing to remember, basket for type 1 apparatus. Then by walking, in Hindi we call walking as a पैदल, like पैदल चलना जिसे हम बोलते हैं. So walking, that means पैदल. I will write it here. By walking, you can remember paddle, that is पैदल. whenever you will remember walking, you will remember paddle, that is पैदल means पैदल चलना. आफ्टर दैट शी वॉज मूविंग बाय वॉकिंग, वो पैदल चल रही थी. उसके बाद उनको लगा कि बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है, तो उन्होंने एक रिक्शा को रुकाया, और वो रिक्शा जो है वो सिलेंडर CNG सिलेंडर से चलता था. तो बाय सिलेंडर एंड रिक्शा, बाय रिक्शा यू कैन रिमेंबर रेसिप्रोकेटिंग, एंड बाय सिलेंडर यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस सिलेंडर. ओके, आफ्टर दैट बहुत थोड़ा दूर जाने के बाद में उनको लगा कि ये जो रिक्शा है वो बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट हो रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे वो फ्लो हो रहा है एयर में. सो द फ्लोइंग थ्रू एयर, लाइक फ्लो थ्रू एयर, यू कैन रिमेंबर द फोर्थ टाइम. देन आफ्टर दैट उन्होंने रुकाया, एंड शी प्रेफर्ड टू वॉक ओवर गोइंग थ्रू दैट रिक्शा. सो शी वॉज अगेन वॉकिंग ओवर. वॉकिंग, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू टू रिमेंबर पैडल, लाइक पैदल, पैदल चलना मतलब वॉकिंग हम जिसे कहते हैं, दिस इज वॉकिंग. सो उन्होंने फिर से पैदल चलना शुरू किया. शी स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग ओवर गोइंग थ्रू द रिक्शा. सो वॉकिंग ओवर, दैट इज पैडल ओवर डिस्क. ओके, देन आफ्टर दैट द सिक्स्थ वन इज अ सैंडल. सैंडल मीन्स उनकी चप्पल, चप्पल टूट गई. थोड़े देर बाद उनको पता चला कि उनकी चप्पल टूट गई है. दैट मीन्स सैंडल, एंड सैंडल से यू कैन रिमेंबर सिलेंडर. देन आफ्टर दैट सेवेंथ टाइप, शी नोटिस दैट कि उनकी चप्पल टूट गई है, तो फिर से उन्होंने एक रिक्शा को रुकाया. लेकिन इस बार उन्होंने रिक्शा वाले से पहले ही बात कर ली थी कि आप प्लीज़ फास्ट मत चलाना, मुझे डर लगता है. तो फिर उसके बाद में वो जब रिक्शा में बैठे तो वो हैंडल को पकड़ कर बैठे. दैट मीन्स रिक्शा, एंड शी होल्ड द हैंडल, reciprocating holder type. By this you can remember all the 7 types of USP dissolution apparatus. In the GPAT the question can be asked like which is the type for USP dissolution apparatus. So you will remember flow through cell. Then after that any question can be asked like which type of apparatus is the basket type. So you can remember it is the type 1. Okay, so by this method you can remember all the 7 type of dissolution apparatus. And this was my video regarding trick how to remember the 7 type. If you like this video, please like the video and also share with your friends, so that I can get more and more motivation to make this kind of videos. And till now if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, so please subscribe to the channel. And all the best for your preparation. Bye.